In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar effectively in 2025, especially if you're a beginner. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for organizing your life, managing appointments, and ensuring you never miss an important event. Whether for personal use or managing work schedules, mastering Google Calendar can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com into your address bar. Once there, sign in if you haven't already. You're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that displays your upcoming events by default. Now, suppose you wish to create a new event. First, you'll need to decide on which day you'd like to place it. You can navigate between day, week, or month views depending on how far ahead you're planning. Once you've chosen your desired date, go ahead and click on the time slot you want to use. This action will prompt a new event window to pop up, giving you the perfect opportunity to start filling in the details. Start by giving your event a clear and descriptive title. Titles are key for recognizing events at a glance, so be straightforward and informative. After that, adjust the event time if necessary. Maybe you meant to schedule it for the afternoon instead of the morning, or perhaps it's a full day retreat. Click on the time field to modify it so it fits your needs. Next, consider adding more details about the event. This could include a location, attaching documents, or even inviting your colleagues or friends. Adding context can be incredibly helpful in making sure everyone involved has all the information they need. Once you're satisfied with the details, don't forget the crucial step: save your event. Click the save button and you'll see your new event appear on the calendar. If you're planning several types of activities or work with different teams, you might find it helpful to organize these into separate calendars for clarity. Here's how to do that. On the main page of Google Calendar, look at the left-hand side under Other Calendars. You'll notice an option that says Add Other Calendars. Click there and an option to create one will appear. Give your new calendar a distinctive name and provide a description if it helps clarify its purpose. Finally, click Create Calendar, and voila! You now have a brand new calendar to keep your events streamlined and organized according to your needs. You can switch between these calendars, turning them on or off as needed to keep your schedule clear and concise. By following these basic steps, you're on your way to mastering Google Calendar. With regular practice, utilizing its features will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide both useful and empowering. Remember, organization is a skill that will serve you in every aspect of your life. Happy scheduling!